Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Vox Politica, your #1 Kenyan YouTube political channel where we unpack Kenyan's hottest political headlines. My name is Jacob Nyende, and today I want us to dive into a political dilemma in the ODM camp where one of the deputy party leaders, Simba Arati, who is also the governor for Kisii, has recently dumped Raila Odinga and joined Matiang'i. We saw in the homecoming of Fred Okengo Matiang'i yesterday, one of the people who welcomed them, who greeted Matiang'i when he arrived in Kisii and impressed him and even introduced him to the people of Kisii, was none other than Simba Arati.
Amefika ama hajafika? Amefika ama hajafika? Tuko na furaha. Basi nataka nipeane mwelekeo. Tulikuwa tuingie ndani ya stadium, lakini kama wale mmeona pale, na Gor Mahia na Shabana wameweka zile TV zote kwa uwanja, na tutaki kwamba Shabana ikuwe ban.
Now, the ODM deputy party leader Simba Arati, in his appearance and offering his support to Matiang'i, what does it mean? Now, before we go deep into this matter, dear viewers, I would like to invite you to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so. Just take 1 second, hit that subscription button, smash the notification bell, and press the like button. By doing that, you will have helped me to reach a wider audience. And thank you so much for that. And also, let me thank those who have already subscribed to this channel. Without you, we could not be where we are right now. Gratitude to you, my people. Now, let's come back to the topic of our discussion. What does this mean to ODM, and what does this mean to Simba Arati? The re-emergence of Matiang'i, and you saw how Matiang'i attracted all the Kisii people, all the tribes that live in Kisii County. They came, they filled Kisii town until they looked for a place in a stadium where Matiang'i was able now to address them there because they could not fit the city. They were too much. He attracted what we call an insane crowd. So, what does this mean for ODM? You know, ODM has been influencing the entire Abakusi region, part of Nyamira and almost all Kisii. Most of the elected MCAs, elected MPs are ODM members, and they won the seats on ODM ticket. Raila has been enjoying the support of Abakusi, but now with the emergence of Matiang'i, what does this mean to ODM? It is a big blow to them, and of course they are not going to claim the Kisii land. They are not going to command. Raila is not going to command.
Alikuwa amekuja nyumbani, akuje aone wananchi wa nyumbani. Mheshimiwa Matiang'i, hawa hawajalipwa hata ndururu kuingia hapa. Mimi naomba ndugu yangu Fred Matiang'i, tunataka tukwambie, toka, tembea Nyanza, tembea Rift Valley, tembea Coast, tembea Northeastern, tembea Nairobi, na uhakikishe na viongozi wote wa nchi yetu tuhakikishe kwamba ambapo sisi pia tunaketi katika meza ya uongozi.
So if that is so, we are also asking another question. Could Simba Arati's appearance and impressing of Matiang'i, could it be a signal from Raila Odinga that Matiang'i, I'm just watching from a distance, but when the right time comes, I'll come on your side and lift you up. I am with you. I'm going to support you. Could Raila have sent his deputy party leader, Simba Arati, as a sign of being together and supporting Fred Okengo Matiang'i when it comes to 2027? That's a question we're asking ourselves. But also, it could be because Simba Arati has realized that he cannot win any seat in Kisii if he goes against Matiang'i, if he opposes Matiang'i, because you know now the Kusaland, all of it embraces Matiang'i, and the people of Kisii and Nyamira and the surrounding, and even all Kenyans expect that all leaders from Kisii are going to support Fred Okengo Matiang'i. So could be clinching on him, because the wave that Matiang'i has attracted in his home ground is a wave that you cannot defy. If you try to go against it, that wind that comes with that wave could easily throw you away from the political environment. So that could be another reason why he's clinching on Matiang'i, embracing him so that he can still be elected. He can still make sense to his political supporters, because as you know, politics is always a game, and if you get the cards wrong and then you get out of the ring and somebody else takes your position. So he could be playing his cards well to remain relevant to his supporters, and also it could be a sign of Raila Amolo Odinga saying that we are going to support you, Matiang'i. I've sent my representative, because since then we have not seen any ODM member coming out to condemn his party leader for associating with Matiang'i or moving to Matiang'i's side. All right. Let me see what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think this is Raila Amolo's signal to Matiang'i that I'm with you come 2027? Or do you think that this is Simba Arati's scheme to make sure that he remains relevant to his supporters and to his people in Kisii region? Is he afraid of Matiang'i? He had decided to concede earlier. So let me see what your thoughts are on this subject matter in the comment section. Let's kick the conversation going in the comment section. Remember to like this video and also give me a subscribe to this video to help me reach a wider audience. My name is Jacob Nyende, and as usual, this is Vox Politica. Allow me to see you in our next video. Bye bye.